thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole video. Hey, I've put together a video that I call Paint Relaxation, where I have cells moving and turning while I'm speaking various relaxation affirmations that can help you to get into the state of mind where you can relax or go to sleep, depending on what you need to do. So if you're a little tense, you had one of those days, you need to wind down, sit down, look at my video, and I'm sure it will put you in that perfect state of mind.
Positive affirmations will help you calm your mind so you can feel at peace. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. Do you feel stressed out, overwhelmed, and need to just calm down? Here are a few affirmations that you should say to yourself that will help you to feel more calm and at ease. I am relaxed. I am peaceful and calm. I am centered and stress-free. I find it very easy to relax. I have no worries at all. Every day, I am relaxing more and more. I am turning into a very peaceful person. I am willing to slow down. I release my problems and concerns. My body feels light and calm. I am worry-free. I am attracting peace into my life. My mind is quiet and calm. I am surrounded by peaceful energy. I am at peace with myself. I see peace everywhere around me. I focus on peaceful and relaxing activities. I can easily slow my mind down. Having peace of mind comes naturally to me. I have an inner peace that can't be disturbed. I attract peaceful and quiet people in my life. I am stress-free. I let go of stressful thoughts. all tension from my body. I feel my worries slowly leaving my body. I am completely in control of my stress. I am attracting a stress-free life. Reducing my stress is effortless.